How to install Bluetooth application on Lumiax model MT-2075, MT-3075 and MT-4010. See the compatible devices. Open the Google browser in your phone. Search and type SolarX. Select the first search result. Select On Page tab and select Download Page. Scroll down and find your device model. In here, you can also download the manual. Click the icon to download the Bluetooth apps. Click Install. Move your phone near to the device. Open the application. Turn on the Bluetooth. Click the Search Bluetooth bar. Click the Skywise name. That's it, the device and the application are in sync. In the Monitor tab, you can check the PV status, battery status and load status. Let us see on PV status. In this page, you will see the detail of the solar panel and the generated graphs of 60 days. Same also on the battery page. Now if you want to change the setting of the device, click Device Parameter. To change battery settings, click here. There are 4 types of battery setup you can select: lithium, liquid, gel and AGM. You can even adjust on advanced settings. If you make any changes, do not forget to click Send button to apply new setup. Now on Load Parameter. You can set the work mode with this 4 choices. If you select manual mode, load will only activate when pressing menu button once on the device, and deactivate on pressing again on the button once. By selecting 24 hours, load is activated 24 hours a day. If you select dusk to dawn, load will activate during sundown, and deactivate during sunrise. If you select fixed lighting hours, you can activate the load according to the time you need, and more settings can be adjusted. You can set also a password on your device by clicking the gear icon on the right side. Click Password. Set a 4-digit password. Now every time you're making a change in setup, the password is needed. And for more information, visit our website and download the manuals according to your device model. SolarX. Build your solar energy.